Hey there, YouTube. Hey, I want to make an unboxing video about my fuel tank I ordered from Allstate Ag Parts. I ordered this off Amazon. It was $113 plus tax, free shipping. It turned out to be about $123, and I received it exactly 6 days after I ordered it, which is great. I mean, no complaints there. Some of the reviews talked about how people had received it with the box badly damaged, but this is the way it looks as I'm unboxing it now. And the box is heavy-duty cardboard, and it's a box within a box. And the box inside is wrapped around with a bunch of brown paper, like some real stiff brown paper, and then the fuel tank is in this box inside. Allstate Ag Parts, I'd never heard about them, but I found out their website is tractorpartsasap.com. That's tractorpartsasap.com. And at least here is May of 2020. If you go to their website, you get a 10% off coupon, which I wish I had known about. I would have been able to save about $10 with this. Anyway, my current 8N fuel tank, it's from a 49. It's original, or it seems original. It is beat. It's rusty. The inside is rusty. It's got a leak in it. It's just a disaster. So I figured, you know what? I just want to order a new one. And the reviews about this tank was good, other than some weird, goofy remarks about the shipping container, which this shipping container seems perfectly fine. I found their website, like I said, also found their YouTube channel. And while no one has an unboxing video about the tank, they do have some nice videos about their operation, which I'm really impressed with it. And I'm going to request their catalog because I'm looking forward to getting it. It sounds like they got a lot of cool parts for old tractors. So I'm going to pull this tank out of the box, and I'm going to take it as my Maltese looks on out onto the porch in better light so we can all get a good look at what this tank looks like. Like I said, the reviews were good, and people talked about it fitting well, which is the thing I want. I want it to be able to drop in perfectly, just like the old original one. I noticed that it came in a bubble wrap bag, which was like fitted for the tank, which I thought's a nice thing. And just looking at it close, I like this powder coat finish. You can tell it's been sprayed on, and it's just really shiny and nice and new. And running my finger around inside the filler neck, I feel like virtually nothing, maybe just a very tiniest bit of dust. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pour some fuel in it, and I'm going to swish it around just to make sure I get out any sort of anything that might be in there, which I'm not expecting much of anything. And I don't see any holes or pinholes or any imperfections on this tank. It looks like it's just a brand spanking new 8N gas tank, which is really pleasing. Anyway, I hope this video helps some people. I don't know why this company doesn't make such a video and put it on YouTube, but hopefully some people look at this and it helps make a decision for them. I'll keep y'all updated on how it fits inside my 8N and give a follow-up video. Thanks for watching. Hey YouTube, I just wanted to show y'all something real quick. This is my Allstate Ag Parts 8N fuel tank. Brand new, and here's my old one. You know, my old one was beat. And I don't even know what would have caused this dent. I mean, the cowling on my 8N's fine, but that dent right there is, I don't know, weird. Anyway, I read some reviews where people claim they bought these and they, quote, leaked. Well, I've got a gallon of gas in there right now. And what I wanted to pass along is my local hardware store sells these cork plugs. This one is a size 7. I think it's called 13/16. But I know it said size 7 for sure, and I've just got it plugged in there. And I've been swishing fuel around, and it's not leaking. I've run it along all the seams. Check the bottom part, the top part. Doesn't leak. So I'm gonna try and put this thing in tomorrow. I'll let you know what happens with it. Oh, another thing too is, watch this. This old tank, I run my finger around inside of it. Look at that powder. And all that powder was getting in my fuel. And my 8N was just running bad. Look at that, that's gross. But the new one, just take a clean finger here, my middle finger. I run it around inside. There's nothing. So, real pleased with this. Like I said, their website had a 10% off coupon I was unaware of because I had purchased this off Amazon. But you may want to check their website first, which is tractorpartsasap.com, before placing an order, and see if they don't have their 10% coupon still. All right, thanks for watching. Got a new fuel bowl screen and gasket in. Checking to see if there's any leaks here at the point of connection. I don't see any. Fuel bowl is clear. This is the fuel that I had in it as I was sloshing it around, checking for leaks, about a gallon. Anyway, I'm pleased with it. I think I'm good to go. Here's another view of the contraption. It seems to be draining a little bit better this way. The fuel is a bit of a bluish tint because I run aviation gas in my 8N. It's 100 octane. Buy it from the airport. All right, friends, I just popped the sucker in. I set it up in here, and it was a slightly tight right there, but I was able to just pop it in with both hands. Now we just need to secure it with the bolts. Went in perfectly. Slightly scuffed it right here as there's some tension on this bar. Real pleased with this tank. Doesn't leak. Fits perfectly. I mean, if I could give it 10 stars, I'd give it 10 stars.